Barutwana ba 55 sekolong sa St Martins e Johannesburg kaofela ha bona ba pasitse ka dinaledi mme e mong wa bona Siphiwe Kuhle Sithole ya fumaneng dinaledi tse tsheletseng o batla ho etsa dithuto tsa molao.
To be honest, it's a lot of hard work, dedication, making sure that I'm on my case, making sure that I'm working along my classmates, everyone who's here to support me.
I also got 7 decisions like my friend Makisovia. I'm planning to study medicine at Stellenbosch University next year, so I'm kind of excited for that.
Ebile dilemo tse 12 tsa ho kena sekolo jwale nako e fihlile ya ho qala leeto le letjha la dithuto.
Ikutlwa ke thabile ene le ntho jara e boima mara ya max di tsona di sharp ikutlwa ke thabile ka yona.
Ke lo kenella sesole he ke lo lwanela country ya ka he ke bona ho etsahala.
Katlego sekolong sa Chiro High Bloemfontein ke ka tshebedisano e ntle le matitjhere le ho kgothaletsa barutwana ho sebetsa ka thata.
It comes down to clear and concise regular communication between students, educators and their parents, and then also 100% commitment from the students as well, because without their hard work, their dedication, none of this would be possible.
Peps College e theilweng ka 1992 ke se seng sa dikolo tse ikemetseng Limpopo mme e paseditswe ka 98.3% le ho fumana 84% ya bachelor degree.
I feel a bit relieved because this was 12 years of my life that I was in school and now it's finally over and it's a bit confusing what I'm going to do next.
It was very difficult, but our school made it very easy for us. They made sure that we were at school as much as possible in a very safe way, so I'm very thankful for that opportunity.
Kampumalanga Uplands and Pennyrain College di paseditswe ka 100%. Palong ya barutwana ba 90 ba 85 ba bona ba fumane bachelor degree Pennyrain College. Uplands College teng barutwana ba fumane 95% e ba pasitseng ka yona.
I'm very happy with my 6 distinctions and excited for the future.
I managed to get 4 distinctions, one in mathematics and the other in accounting, which made me so happy because I really love accounting.
Ka Eastern Cape, sekolo sa St Dominic Qabega le St Andrews College Makhanda le tsona di paseditswe ka 100% mo province e sebeditseng hantle dikolong tse ikemetseng mo ka kakaretso province e paseditseng ka 98.3%.
I really did work hard. I tried my best. I took a lot of off days. But in the end, it just comes down to hard work, paying attention, doing the extra things, going the extra mile.
One can't police integrity. One can't be supporting them 24/7. There needs to be a motivation from their side to achieve. So certainly our teachers remind them frequently of their potential, of the fact that we believe that they can achieve great things.
Ka Western Cape, Freedom House e thuleditse tshebetso ya dikolo tsa yona naha ka bophara mo provinceng ena e leng sekolo sa Atlantic Seaboard, Constantia le Durbanville tse fumaneng dinaledi tse 379. Athe le Freedom House umhlanga Durban KwaZulu-Natal barutwana ba pasitse ka 100% le ha empa ho bile le tshitiso nakong ya ho thefulwa ha dikgwebo ka kgwedi ya Phupu selemong se hodimo. Sena ke selemo sa bohlano ka tatellano Freedom House Durban e fumana 100%.
It was a very difficult time, especially a scary time for all of the KZNs, whole of KZN, and also during the pandemic in the beginning of the year, and also throughout the year. There's constant disruptions and everything, which was not really good for our schooling career.
Diphetho dikolong tsa mmuso naha ka bophara di tla phatlalatswa hosane.